All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh shit, need a knife. Something. Apparently my packages were intercepted by a Canadian and a mutt.
And a Mexican.
All right, so I guess, what is this one?
Oh, you got other things.
Sound business forms. Oh, I bet this is the proof copy. Here, you hold this.
I'm holding this.
Yeah, you hold this. Holy crap. It is. It's the proof. Oh! Look at that.
Oh, man. That warning turned out nice.
Look at that. Look at that. All right. Man, this will work. This will work. So guys, it is Wednesday. We have just received the books. We're going to be some busy little bees getting this bad boy put together and getting it out to everyone. Again, just want to, man, this is awesome stuff. I mean, it's, you know, we managed to put this together in this rat hole, and to actually have my own book done is pretty damn awesome. So guys, thank you so very much. We'll be getting these out. And again, Trenton's Guide to Love, Riches, and Blacksmithing, now available on TrentonTide.com. Thank you guys so much.